ABAOROKIGWA Eskuru ya Rabani hiyo kutoka ase ensemo ya Isli ase county ya Nairobi niko bagokire amachibo maya Eskuru yo asa ABAOROKIGWA 53 niko bono bagocha kogenda ase EUNIVERSITY ase bono batebire kurwa Eskuru yo echaka oyo iga noro omubaro monene kigima okweneki ABAOROKIGWA so ase EUNIVERSITY niko bono batebire Eskuru yo ABAOROKIGWA niko bakurwa isiko ase bono bakwanire omukia bokonyora amachibo ayo.
Njino mwalimu mwanene school ya Raban High School, uno mu principal. Raban High School igere mother school yechi school ya Raban group of schools, yechi school jire kianda. Asa igo enere mother school na ande school ya arabere myake menge asenza moya masomo. Etwa jagete school ye omwaka 2011. Une school just normal ya rego chakana abana bakeigo. But tukaweka bidii na performance ikavengia Eskuru wakora ikabachingu uchakero mwaka 2015 nalito wakolete KCSE to lechingu kabisa abana bagaita kulende mbaye tete banke kiagara kwenye anduranyo warangurucho wasomi kabisa na kubwate Eskuru buneta keile waiko mwaka 2016 abana bagakora buya kabisa tukanyora amaxi amange abana 56 bakane university na kuruwa bugocha gocha ya abere to akora igo mpaka stoikerero last year petu abwata abana 93 ba qualified bakandi university lakini this year improvement ya role kanene sana. Out of 96 candidates abana ba achire university bona igo bara abana 89 so akaro kurigereria twanyale koruto konyora agento koroka positive deviation nande to matenga abana bwega mpaka bwati bagalinde nga tonya ko babeke Eskuru nga mare bagwa koirora sikuizi ngoiyo igento ka no wikarasna bwibuli to igwana ngekito konya na abana bwega baita to ikarasna mwibuli to igwana nga nyomba kole gasi yakubunete kire okora nyomba omwana oyongera sagweta mpaka ke Eskuru to kombwata ko Eskuru egasi tonya kole bunete kire ko revise remedials. That's a private arrangement between abalimu na abaibuli.
My name is Abdurrahman Jabir from Raban High School. I have managed to score a grade of B plain. And first and foremost, I want to say Alhamdulillah, I want to thank Allah for His guidance and blessing throughout this journey. I'm also deeply grateful to my teachers, my friends, and everyone who surrounded me for their unwavering support throughout my journey. This achievement not only represents my hard work but also their support.
Naitwa Mwalimu Evans Otieno. I'm a maths chemistry teacher. I teach at Raban High School, and this year our students have performed very well. Mathematics, we had 96 candidates. Out of the 96, nobody has gotten a below C+ in mathematics.
Serieta nkuru kwa Nyaguoka Unyangi. Nje ngosomie Kiswahili na mbata emete motanga na wabwate B plain na gaucha igon lakini